I got this 2010 Yukon. Bought it when it was new. It's 15 years old now. I used to have a 2000 Yukon, and it had this old Minute Mount 1 plow on it. Okay? Well, I don't want to buy another plow. I'm only using this for my driveway here. Got a big driveway all over the place. Got to plow all this stuff. Anyway, so what? So I don't want to buy a new plow. I don't want to go through all that hassle. Okay, so any wiring harness. Okay, basically, if the wiring harness, it's only a 2-plug system here. Okay, you got your big plug here, and then you got your what used to be your lights and your plow relays. Okay, so those stay the same. What do? You come off your battery. You come off your battery to your solenoid, okay, and you come off your joystick to your solenoid. Then you come off your battery to the solenoid. You come off the solenoid to the plow motor. You come off the plow motor to the negative on the battery, okay, and you got your joystick. That all works. So no, you haven't changed any of that. Doesn't make any difference. Ford, Dodge, Chevy. If you get that to work, you're golden. Then what? I had to take all this crap off in order to put on these push plates. Okay, so you're taking off all your front, your grill, and all that stuff. So while I had that off, I tapped into my blinkers, my left blinker, my right blinker. I did away with the fog lights down here, and on this fog light circuit, I ran my headlights. So basically just a 4-way flat right here, coming off left blinker, right blinker, headlights, and a ground. Okay, then I just drilled some holes in the bottom over here. Left blinker, headlight, right blinker, headlight, and ground. And I've got all my lights, easy peasy. So I'm gonna use this old plow on that truck.